Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the lock screen or the home screen background on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your settings, and in this setting you just need to scrolling down until you found this wallpaper options right here, and then you just need to go click it, and there will be a pop-up here, the current wallpaper that you use. So to change it, you just need to go click this add new wallpaper, and now you can just choose either you want to use your own picture or photos on your photo library, or you can also use the featured, which is the wallpaper that already provided by the iPhone itself. So if you want to have an emoji, go into this emoji and you can just choose and customize the emoji that you want to add into your home screen. Okay, let's try customize. And after that, you just need to go click X right here, and if you're satisfied with the result, you just need to go click add and confirm that you use this as the set as wallpaper pair. And now we already got the new wallpaper into our phone. So that's the way, guys, how to change the wallpaper on iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.